So, hello. Today we are going to discuss about the First World War. We all are well aware that First World War was started in 1914 and it was ended in 1918. The reason behind the war here in this video we are not going to discuss, but after the war what happened? That means the treaty which was signed between two group, that was Allied group and Germany, that is Central Power. So the treaty was signed in 1919. Allied power were combined, mainly the countries were Britain, France and the US, because Russia withdrew from the war and it was the time to enter the US in the war. Italy was also part. So Germany was defeated. You can say Germany surrendered. It was the date 28th June 1919 and location was Versailles. Versailles is a place which is in France. The major terms that was discussed in that treaty, that Germany accepted full responsibility for causing the war. That's why it was called War Guilt Clause in article number 231. So that was the reason that they had to repart. Germany had to pay large financial repartitions to the Allies and they lost their territory. So the third point would be territorial losses. During the war, Germany had occupied the two districts of France, that was Alsace and Lorraine, that was returned to France. And Polish corridor was created, giving Poland access to the sea. Another one was Saar Basin, that was also captured by Germany. So it was given to the League of Nations, because after the war the League of Nations was formed. So it was placed under League of Nations control. Colonies taken away and placed under Allied administration, that is League of Nations mandates. Another restriction that was just given, that was military restrictions. Germany and German army was asked to limit army to 1 lakh troops only. There will be no air force, submarines or tanks. The Rhineland was demilitarized, because Rhineland normally in those days it was a place where arms were kept. So Rhineland was demilitarized. League of Nations was established to promote peace and prevent future wars. There were some other treaties that ending with the war even also. So the next one was the Treaty of Saint-Germain. It was held in 1919 with Austria. Treaty of Neuilly in same year 1919 with Bulgaria. Treaty of Trianon in 1920 with Hungary, and Treaty of Sevres in 1920 with Ottoman Empire. That was Treaty of Lausanne in 1923. It was revised. After the war, when treaties were signed, because in war many countries were involved into that. So after the war, obviously we should not forget that what will be the consequences, because Germany was forced, Germany was compelled to surrender. As a result, the Treaty of Versailles caused deep resentment in Germany. Economic hardship and political instability followed. Obviously, it happens. Many historians believe it contributed to the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Second World War. That was the time when the people started feeling that it was injustice with Germany, and that was the reason the new hero to the world, it was the rise of Adolf Hitler. Thank you.